Hey guys, so today in this video I'll be teaching you a new way to get unlimited coins on Pocket FM. So this works 2026. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the video. So it's actually easy. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Pocket FM just so I can show you guys this actually works. So as you can see guys, I'm broke, but if I press I can unlock unlimited coins. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, it says like initializing console and all this stuff. So I'm just going to wait for that to go up. So at the end, it should say like finalized. All right, so now the coins should start increasing. So hopefully it goes up. So there we go, guys. So I'm going to show you how to download this onto your device. So it's super crazy. So let's get straight into the guide. So yeah, it's not very hard. So the first thing we're going to do is go to this website, and you just want to type in Pocket FM and then press download. So before this downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store. And then you're going to get the Pocket FM hack for your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So at the end, it's going to say like missing files. So I just got to download some of these apps. So we got like Travel Town, Mo Casino. So there's all these different ones. So this one's like a game. So I just press continue, go to the app store. I just got to play it till I'm level 9. Now they're not all games, but the game ones are usually pretty easy. So then we go back to the list, see what else we got. So we got Mo Casino, rates. So there's all these different ones. So just make sure you do a couple of these. Then you're going to get the Pocket FM hack so you can get unlimited coins. So it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Pocket FM videos. But yeah, this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. Peace out.